Yo, it's your boy Wavykid Kev, alright? As you can tell, need a cut. Alright, been 2 weeks since I last cut my hair. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna show you how I do it, and how to do it the right way, so stay tuned. Alright you guys, when you first start the cut, first thing you want to do is comb it out to lift the hair off your scalp. Okay, so there's really no crazy way to cut your hair. All you have to do is slap the guard on and go in the same pattern that you brush your hair. Make sure you go over it multiple times to get all the hair off. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm going to take this one guard open and knock the edge up down to get a real crispy line. I did it 2 on the top, so I'm just going to go a guard lower to make it nice and even. Okay, so after you cut all the hair off, what you want to do is take a soft brush and lay it all the way down. That way when you go for the rest of the cut, it'll be all nice, even, and laid. Okay, I'm just going to use these hair fibers to make my edge up look more crispy. This is the cut, alright? Looking real fresh. Just cut my hair down to a 2, which I probably already said that already, but yeah, I'm not giving myself a taper for the minute, okay? So maybe when I cut this wolf off, then I'll do it, but other than that, well, Wavykid Kev, if you like the cut, make sure you give it a like, drop a comment, subscribe, all of that, but yeah. Look crispy out here. We out here. Deuces.